Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your PayPal account number and routing number. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can see I'm in the PayPal app. You can do this in the PayPal app, but I'll also show you how to do it on paypal.com if you're on a computer and not an iPhone or an Android. Now, if you're in the app, all you need to do from the app is we're going to tap on the accounts option at the very bottom left. Tap on that accounts. And you'll be able to see here is my balance, add money. I'm going to tap on the account info next to the account balance. You'll be able to see it says bring money in and pay bills automatically. And there's my account number ending in 45. And then routing number, you can see this is PayPal's routing number. You can choose to copy either one of these and also hit more details if you wanted to get more details associated with these numbers and how you can set up direct deposit, stuff like that. However, let's say you're not in the app-based version, you're on paypal.com. Within paypal.com, it's a bit different. We're going to tap on those three dots at the very bottom right, that more, and you're looking for an option that says go to direct deposit. Again, the account number and routing number are usually set up for direct deposit through PayPal. So I can tap on that and you'll be able to see it automatically takes me to this page. Again, shows me the routing number for PayPal and my personal account number. I can hit the little I to be able to see it or just tap on copy to be able to copy the routing or account number. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.